Welcome to AppInsight AI. Today we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking tools transforming the way creators like you and I make videos. Say goodbye to endless hours of editing, say goodbye to complicated software. Jupitrr AI is here to revolutionize the way we create videos. Whether you're a content creator, a YouTuber, or just someone who wants to make engaging videos without all the hassle, this video is for you. We're going to review, test, and give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to use Jupitrr AI. So buckle up, because this AI is about to change the way you create. In today's age of artificial intelligence, creators are equipped with powerful tools like ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Midjourney or Leonardo AI for stunning visuals. But one area that still takes time and effort is video editing. Even with tools like Filmora or CapCut, you have to spend hours piecing everything together. That's where Jupitrr AI comes in. This tool takes video creation to the next level. Imagine turning your audio into a complete video with relevant stock footage, automated subtitles, and more, all in just a few clicks. It's like having your personal editor that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What makes Jupitrr AI stand out? Ease of use. First, let's talk about the simplicity. One of the standout features of Jupitrr AI is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a professional video editor to get started. Whether you're uploading an audio file or a video, Jupitrr AI's user interface is intuitive, making it accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned creators. B-roll generator. Jupitrr AI's B-roll generation feature is revolutionary for those who want to enhance their videos without spending hours searching for clips. Based on your script or audio, it picks out relevant video clips from royalty-free libraries like Pexels. Just highlight any part of your transcript, and with one click, Jupitrr AI adds engaging visuals to your video. This is a game changer, especially for content creators who want to keep their audience engaged without hiring an editor. Turn audio into video. This is a feature that sets Jupitrr AI apart from many other tools. You can simply upload an audio file, and Jupitrr AI will generate a complete video for you, syncing the audio with relevant stock footage. This feature is especially useful for podcasters or anyone who creates content in audio format but wants to reach a wider audience on platforms like YouTube. Auto subtitles. Subtitles are critical, especially for improving engagement and accessibility. Jupitrr AI automatically generates and places captions on your video, saving you time and ensuring your content is more inclusive. You can even tweak these subtitles to ensure they're perfectly aligned with your message. Video templates. Jupitrr AI also offers template customization. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you can easily adjust your video's aspect ratio. This means you can effortlessly switch between landscape format for YouTube and portrait for platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok. Plus, you can change the font style, size, and color of your subtitles, adding a personal touch to each video. Advanced features and benefits of Jupitrr AI. Scene-by-scene customization. What's impressive about Jupitrr AI is that it offers more control over your content than you might expect from an AI tool. You can preview and modify each scene before finalizing the video. This allows you to ensure that the stock footage, subtitles, and transitions are exactly how you want them. And if the AI selects a clip you don't love, you can simply swap it out for a new one with a few clicks. Optimized for monetization. Now let's talk about how Jupitrr AI can help with monetizing your channel. By creating high-quality, engaging videos faster, you'll be able to upload content more consistently. This is crucial for meeting the requirements to join YouTube's partner program. Consistency in video uploads not only helps you gain more subscribers but also boosts your channel's visibility, increasing watch time and improving your chances of earning ad revenue. So, if you're looking to eventually monetize your channel, Jupitrr AI can be a key tool in scaling your content creation. Royalty-free media. You might be concerned about copyright issues, especially if you're using stock footage. Fortunately, Jupitrr AI pulls its media from libraries like Pexels, which offer royalty-free video clips. This means you can use these clips without worrying about strikes or demonetization on YouTube, making it a safe and effective option for content creators. Scalability for businesses and creators. Another point worth noting is that Jupitrr AI is scalable. Whether you're an individual creator or a business looking to create videos for marketing purposes, Jupitrr AI allows you to produce professional videos in bulk. This scalability is something that many AI tools in the market don't offer, and it makes Jupitrr AI an excellent investment for growing your brand or business. Let's see how to use Jupitrr AI step by step. Let's jump right in and see how you can start using Jupitrr AI. First things first, go to Jupitrr.com. Once there, create your account. It's free to start. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is incredibly intuitive. You have two primary options to begin with. Number 1, add B-rolls to your video. Number 2, turn audio into video. Both are extremely useful depending on your project. Now we will see using the B-roll generator. Alright, I've uploaded a basic talking head video. Jupitrr AI automatically generates a transcript of my speech on the left side, while the video is displayed on the right. I want to make this video more engaging by adding B-roll footage. Here's how simple it is. Highlight any part of the transcript, like launching a tech startup, and a pop-up appears giving you options to generate video or image clips. I'm going to click on Generate Video in just a few seconds. Jupitrr AI has added a relevant clip of people in an office space. Let's play the video to see how the B-roll enhances it.
Today, we're diving into something super cool: deepfake face swapping in videos. This technology has been taking the internet by storm. And in this video, I'll show you how you can create your own deepfake videos using some amazing tools. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, check out this deepfake video I created.
Now we will see turning audio into video. Now for my favorite feature, turning an audio file into a full video. Let's say you have a podcast or just an audio recording of your script. All you need to do is upload the audio file here. Next, Jupitrr AI will ask for a title, and Jupitrr AI will automatically find relevant stock footage for your entire audio. After a brief wait, our audio has been transformed into a stunning video. Let's preview it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AppInsight AI. Today, we're diving into something super cool: deepfake face swapping in videos. This technology has been taking the internet by storm.
My final thoughts on Jupitrr AI. If you're serious about scaling your content creation, Jupitrr AI is a must-try. This tool can help you consistently put out high-quality videos that will grow your channel and potentially open up new streams of revenue. So, is Jupitrr AI worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're an experienced content creator or just starting out, Jupitrr AI saves you time, effort, and money by automating the most time-consuming parts of video creation. You get relevant footage, auto-generated subtitles, and professional-looking videos with just a few clicks. Interested in trying it out? Click the link in the description to start using Jupitrr AI for free. Trust me, it's going to revolutionize the way you create videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AppInsight AI for more reviews, tutorials, and AI-powered tools that make your content creation easier.